Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can sort your reference list in Microsoft Word chronologically by the year instead of author's name. Standard sorting in Word only alphabetized by the first letter of the author's name. But using Word's hidden field sort feature allows you to skip the author and group your reference by the publication date. So first you need to highlight your reference list and click on this drop down arrow and click on the convert bibliography to static tags, and then again select the reference list and go to the home and click on the sort button. It looks like AZ icon with a drop down arrow, and now click on the option button at the bottom of the sort text box and click on the others and type opening parenthesis like this one, click OK. So in the sort by drop down menu you need to click on this and select the field 2 and select the text, and then you need to click on the field 3 and click on the text, and then by field 1 click on this and select the text. Make sure keep check the ascending radio button and then click OK to proceed, and how you can see that 2001, 2008, 12, 14, 17, 20, 24 and 26. I hope this video helped you. Please give it a like, subscribe for more MS Word tips and drop any question in the comments below. Thanks for watching.